The right opportunity doesn't always come because you're looking for it. Sometimes it comes because you've been consistently living your purpose. Hi, I'm Alexis Onestas, the Book Strategist. Welcome to Book Strategist Daily. Every day, I share one lesson from building Omax Books. Let's build. A few days ago, I talked to you about purpose, about knowing why you do what you do before worrying about how you will do it. Well, today, some things happen that make me smile. I recently signed with Rolling Stone Africa as their books editor. And while I'm incredibly excited, what struck me most wasn't the title. It was why this opportunity came my way. For years, I've been obsessed with books, reading them, publishing them, translating them, talking about them, recommending them, looking for authors no one else was introducing to French-speaking readers. That never been a marketing strategist. It's simply what I love. When I met David from Rolling Stone Africa, we didn't start by talking about job. We talked about books, ideas, authors, the importance of giving more visibility to Black voice and African voice. We realized we were trying to build the same bridge. Today, through Omax Books, I help bring English language books to French-speaking readers. And now, through Rolling Stone Africa, I will also have the opportunity to interview authors, recommend books, and introduce readers to stories that deserve a much bigger audience. To me, these aren't two different jobs. These two expressions of the same purpose. Sometimes we think we have to stay inside the boundaries of our business, but purpose is much bigger than the business model. Your purpose can take different forms. A company, a podcast, a book, a media outlet, a partnerships, the format changes. The mission stays the same. And that's what I realized today. Rolling Stone Africa isn't taking me away from Omax Books. It's allowing me to serve the same mission from another angle, to build another bridge, another conversation, another opportunity for ideas to travel. So here's my question for you. Are you chasing opportunities, or are you becoming the kind of person those opportunities are looking for? Because maybe purpose doesn't only help you make better decisions. Maybe purpose creates opportunities. Let's discuss. You can find me on X, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram, Alexis Onestas. I'm not documenting success. I'm documenting the process. You're listening to Book Strategist Daily. I will see you tomorrow.